You just want to get leads and make sales, but you don't have thousands of dollars to hire a marketing agency to do everything for you. And you know that when you hire someone to build your website, it always takes some back and forth communication and a very clear picture to get what you want from your web designer or developer. So if you want to do this right, once and for all, you really need to understand the full picture. I've seen software company owners pitch strategies from the stage and in their books that are not appropriate for every type of business. You have to realize that they are selling software and a dream that you can achieve because of their products. That doesn't mean that their methods should be taken literally or that they will work for everyone. So sign up for this training to discover what funnels are and why we need them, the content we have to develop for our customer journey, the assets required to make our digital lead generation and sales processes work, the type of traffic we need on our website, and the testing budget to make sure that our sales funnels are working properly to avoid dropping large sums of cash and risk losing it. Finally, hang up that weekend warrior and side hustle status. See you in the training.